Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the Paolini Pocket Rules, are backed by popular demand. With these clever rules, you'll carry reliability and convenience right in your shop apron's pencil pocket. The full-featured design of our Paolini Pocket Rules are the result of a close collaboration with woodworking pro Gregory Paolini. You could say it was designed by a woodworker for woodworkers, and after toting it around in your shop apron for a project or two, you'll wonder how you ever got along without it. No other small rule has all the built-in features of Woodpecker's Paolini Pocket Rule. You may have seen one or two of our features on other rules, but none that have them all. In one small rule, you get an adjustable rule stop to guarantee perfectly repeatable layout lines, just like using a T-square. Vertical end scales for precisely setting the height of router bits and table saw blades. The rule stop doubles as a stand to set the rule on edge when using the end scales, leaving both your hands free to make machine adjustments. An end notch to precisely position your pencil point for marking out. And finally, our pocket rules come in either inch, metric, or our combo inch metric scales, all engraved using state-of-the-art equipment to produce precise marks. We engrave in white on the red anodized aluminum blades for enhanced visual clarity. We use black annealed marks on the stainless steel blades that will last a lifetime and then some. Our process delivers both the durability of engraving and enhanced visual clarity. The aluminum blade is 1 inch wide by 1/8 inch thick, and the stainless steel blade is 1 inch wide by 1/16 inch thick. Both sides have scale marks, so you'll never have to read a dimension upside down. On one side, you see 1/32 inch and 1/16 inch marks with a 1/32 inch vertical end scale. On the opposite side, you'll see 1/16 inch and 1/32 inch marks. The end scale on this side has 1/16 inch marks. Metric models use 1 mm marks on both sides and end scales. For woodworkers who prefer rules with both imperial and metric scales, we have the Pocket Rule for you. Our combo scale rules feature 1/32 inch and 1 mm scales on one side with a 1/32 inch vertical end scale. On the other side, we engrave 1 mm and 1/16 inch scales on the long edges with a 1 mm vertical end scale. Our aluminum and stainless steel Paolini Pocket Rules come in 3 different lengths with either imperial, metric, or our combo inch metric scales. Choose from 6 inch or 8 inch long pocket size models, or the 12 inch length that's ideal for bench work. Metric lengths are 150 millimeters, 200 millimeters, or 300 millimeters. You can order any Paolini Pocket Rule length in imperial, metric, or combo inch metric scales individually, or choose the full set of imperial, metric, and combo rules in either aluminum or stainless steel and get all 3 at a savings. So, if you're looking for pocket rules like no other for your apron pocket or tool bench that are truly indispensable, get the new Paolini Pocket Rules from Woodpeckers. Like all Woodpeckers OneTIME Tools, Woodpeckers Paolini Pocket Rules are manufactured using state-of-the-art CNC equipment operated by highly skilled machinists in our company's shop located near Cleveland, Ohio in the USA.